Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I am Daedran. The RJR Gleaner Communications Group radio brand Hitz92fm was today rebooted. Hitz92fm will see changes to its programming with the addition of dancehall to its music catalog. The brand for the past few years featured only reggae in its musical lineup.
We have rebranded in a way where we flick that switch that we call a reboot. So rebooting is when we introduce dancehall back on our musical plate. It's all about dancehall, it's all about reggae, it's all about sports, and that is what we are pushing to Jamaica, to our nation, and to the world. The name of the show is The Bouncing, man. So listen to me. We have the nation bouncing. We have entertainment features. We have a whole... Look here, just tune in. 1 to 5, weekdays, myself, DJ Roderick, Hit Squad.
Hitz92fm DJs were recently in the spotlight as they were among the favorites at the Fame Frequency parties. Now, speaking of the Saturday night parties, the Fame Frequency continues to dominate. The event trended on Saturday night as VIP guests were seen fully dressed in their uniforms. Patrons adhered to the theme, but there was the highlight of the night, this woman dressed in a nun's outfit. Get him, sister. The music also represented the theme as Colin Hines, Donovan Dakers, DJ Deli and Wizkid delivered hits from old and new catalogs.
It's your time.
Fame Frequency, led by the party brand Fame92fm, is the group's response to the closure of regular events here in Jamaica due to the COVID-19 pandemic. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.